Hello everyone, this is the Dad. Today I'm going to do a review on this 170 piece concrete screw set. It's made by VIGRUE. Now I've got some notes on here. 3/16 threads require a 5/32 concrete drill bit, and 1/4 inch use a 3/16, which I'll explain a little bit. But anyway, I like that it comes in this case, but the case doesn't separate all the screws. You do have some screws, like here's 2 different lengths. So that length goes there, but then this length is a different one. There's not a spot for it, so they just put it in a bag right on top. But that's okay. I like that it's nice and organized. And again, these are hex head, so you've got 2 different sizes. You've got this, and then that's going to correspond with the thread size also. So let's talk about this. The smaller size is called 3/16. 3/16 uses a 5/32 drill bit, okay, a concrete drill bit. Now the 1/4 inch, that's the other size of screws. Now there's different lengths of 1/4 inch, but 1/4 inch is the size of the threads, how wide they are. And it's gonna use a 3/16 drill bit, so 3/16 drill bit. This kit does not come with drill bits, it's only for the screws. And you're also going to need, now what's really nice is this kit. This is the Milwaukee 7-piece concrete install kit, model number 48-20-9097. This has everything in it you need. It's got the 2 nut drivers. For the smaller ones, it's going to be 1/4 inch. That's the bigger one, sorry. And for the bigger ones, it's going to be 5/32. And then the smaller ones go into the 1/4 inch one. And then it's got, that's where I got the 2 drill bits from. See, the 2 drill bits were in here. Now it's also got torque tips for, like, if you have torque tip ones. This is a fixture to make installing them real easy. You're going to put your drill bit in here, and then the corresponding nut driver. You put this in an impact gun or a drill. Your drill has to have an impact symbol or an impact mark, or a hammer drill for hammering in. And then you simply drill, and then you don't have to take the drill bit out. Put this on, and then put your nut on, or your concrete screw in. Drill, put this on, put that on. So this is a really nice kit that I got to go along with this kit. I like when things are stored nicely in these kits. So I got everything I need. I'm always needing different sizes. I've bought a bunch of like one size, but then I'm like, I need a little bit smaller, I need a little bit bigger. So I like having the variety here. So I hope this video helps. Thanks everybody for watching.